Hi, welcome to another instructional video. Today we're going to show you how to set up your Spotlight Retractor. Let's get started. Now right out of the gate, once you remove all the components from your carrying case, you're going to start by setting up in the location where you want to display your Spotlight Retractor. Once you have the location picked, go ahead and unfold the telescoping pole. Identify the hole in the middle of the base. Place that in. Lift up the graphic from the snap banner rail. Place the clip on top of the pole in the channel on the back of the snap banner rail. Now, since this is a double-sided display, do the exact same process for the other side. Okay, so now that we have the graphics extending from the base, we can now go ahead and plug the display in. So grab your power supply cord, take the smaller end and plug it into the input on the side of the base. Make sure you plug it into the input that is below the switch to turn the display on. Take the other end of the cord and plug it into an outlet. So go ahead and flip that switch on. And now your display is glowing and you can utilize the messaging power of your Spotlight Retractor.